Okay, so first two video was all about the concept. Now, as I said in the beginning itself, all videos are going to be based on completely question based. So we have the function ax square plus bx plus c, and we are supposed to find out the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, 1 by alpha minus beta, whatever it is. We will solve everything one by one. But before that, I want to ask you what will be alpha square plus beta square. This is a very easy. What to do? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. I'll say wait. How come I'm not convinced? So I'll say wait. I'll just explain for the one who is not able to understand. Alpha plus beta whole square, if I open the formula, I have alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. I want alpha square plus beta square. Suppose I want this one. If I want this one, how can I do it? I just replace this with this side. If I send this to this side, my job is over. So my alpha square plus beta square will be how much? If I send this to this side, my job is done. That means it will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This you should keep in mind. It will be very helpful to you all the time, every day. Okay. What about alpha minus beta whole square? If I want to ask you, write this alpha minus beta whole square in terms of alpha plus beta whole square. Listen to me. I want you to write alpha minus beta whole square in terms of alpha plus beta whole square. So that will give you alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Why is it so? Please just have a listen. Alpha minus beta whole square, that will give you alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. If I open the bracket this side, this will give me alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. If I solve one step further, there will be alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. See here, LHS RHS both are same. What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alright. Okay. What about this one? Oh, the square of this is this part. So if I do square root, my job is done. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. These are the formulas which you should be noting down in your notebook. Alpha minus beta will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta square root. Okay. Now let's come to alpha plus beta whole cube. That will give me alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. If I want only alpha cube plus beta cube, how can I achieve that? Just send this part to this side. If you send this portion, this entire portion to that side, my job is done. So that will be alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That's it. That's it. Our job is done. So there are three formulas which I want you to keep in mind. The formulas are alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha minus beta is square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. And alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. I hope you understood all this. I hope you copied also. These three formulas are very important, to solve those questions. Using these formula will solve. Okay. Just see. So we'll start one by one. First thing first, which I discussed in the video, last video. Alpha plus beta is minus b by alpha into beta is c by a. If you notice in all the formula which I derived now, everything was in terms of either alpha plus beta or in the terms of alpha into beta. Why do I do it? Because I have the formula only for alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. I don't have the formula of alpha minus beta, or I don't have any formula. I have only two formula. So what was my intention? My intention was to bring everything in terms of either alpha plus beta or alpha into beta. Now have a look here. I am solving question number 1, where I need to solve 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, very simple. I will take LCM. So alpha into beta, here I have alpha plus beta. Correct? Beta into 1 is beta, alpha into 1 is alpha. Down we have alpha into beta. How much is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a divided by, in the denominator, alpha into beta. How much is alpha into beta? C by so minus b by a into a by c. A go away, minus b by c is the answer. Done. No doubt. Easy. Good. Now I'll come to second part. My second part is 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. If I take LCM, I have alpha into beta and I have beta minus alpha. What is the formula of beta minus alpha? My formula for beta minus alpha is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta square root. That's all. That is my beta minus alpha. And alpha into beta is how much? That I put alpha into beta only. Some people can say, some you say alpha minus beta, here you are seeing beta minus alpha. Does not make a difference because we have put square root. If you put square root, from square root, whatever will come, will be always positive only. So no need to worry. Now, this thing alpha plus beta value is how much? Minus b by a square minus 4 times c by a alpha into beta divided by alpha into beta is how much again? C by a. This numerator part is in the square root. I'll solve a bit more. So this will give me b square by a square minus 4c by a square root divided by how much? C by a. If I do further, numerator LCM is a square. This will be b square a, b square only. This will be how much? 4ac square root divided by c by a. Now, this under square root and a square will become a. This a and this will be cancelled. So, what is my answer? My answer is square root of b square minus 4ac by c. See, a square and square root. So square and square will be cancelled. Only a will be left. That and a and this will be cancelled. So my answer will be how much? b square minus 4ac by c. That's it. This formula from where did I write? You can refer where I derived the formula. Alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha will be how much? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now come to question number 3. My question number 3 is beta by alpha plus alpha by beta. Simple. Again, if we take LCM, this will going to be how much? Alpha beta. This will be beta square plus alpha square. Now beta square plus alpha square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and in the denominator we have alpha into beta. Now we will just put the value. So alpha plus beta is how much? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 alpha into beta is how much? C by a, and divided by alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is how much? Again c by a. So my numerator will become b square by a square minus 2c by a, and denominator will be how much? C by a. So c by a. Now if you take LCM, we have b square minus 2ac by a square by c by a. A will go away, not a square, only a will go. So a will go away, c will come in multiplication. So we have b square minus 2ac by how much? ac. Simple. I took LCM, so this became only b square. This will become how much? 2ac by a square, and down we have c by a. 1a will go away, and this ac will come in multiplication. We have this. Okay, now let's come to the last part. Now let's come to the last part where they have asked alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. If you take LCM, again alpha beta, and we have alpha cube plus beta cube. Again we will apply the formula which I told you. Alpha cube plus beta cube will be how much? Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. And in the denominator we will have how much? Alpha into beta. Just put the value. Alpha plus beta is how much? Minus b by a whole cube minus 3 times c by a into alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a, and down we have c by a. So this will be how much? Minus b cube by a cube minus minus plus. So this will be how much? 3bc by a square, and down we have divided by how much? C by a. So if I take LCM, it will be how much? A cube, and this will be minus b cube plus 3abc, and into this a will go up, c will come down. Correct? So I will left with a square. So my answer will be minus b cube plus 3abc by a square c. Just solve it properly, you get the answer. That's it. So that's all for it.